Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. A little Monday motivation. Check out my awesome new sweatshirt, Quick Trip. We love you. Drop in the comment section. Let me know if you have been to the Midwest and you've been to Quick Trip and you know why I have a love affair, an obsession with Quick Trip. Best place on earth. Amazing. Love them. Quick Trip, if you're watching. You have a diehard fan here. But we're not talking about Quick Trip this morning. This is my hope for you today, this week. Good morning, good morning. Let's start our Monday out right. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Where are you coming from? Where are you going? If you're at home, where is home? Drop it in the comment section and let me know. Hello, hello, hello. How are you today? It's Monday. You know, some people start out the week and think like, ugh, Monday. And some of us don't really have a start to the week. I don't, I'm within my kids going to school. It's just kind of another day, which is not a bad thing. But what we often do, I've been there, you probably have been there, so you know what I'm talking about, is we overthink what it is that is on our to-do list. We overthink what is in front of us. We overthink what it is that we have to do to climb the mountain wherever the mountain is taking us. And people, listen up. The biggest obstacle you have is right between your two ears. So today, this week, Monday's motivation, let's start this week out right. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know if you're happy that you are starting out a brand new week. That means brand new opportunities, brand new things to engage in, see, and do. But this week, I want you to start this week out right, and I want you to not overthink things. When it comes to our health and fitness, when it comes to wellness, when it comes to doing good for our bodies, oftentimes what we think is what creates the problems. Hey, good morning, Cheryl. I know, Quick Trip, I love you. If Quick Trip doesn't know how much I love them, I'm wearing a freaking sweatshirt with their name on it. Like, there's nothing more I can do. And I plan on going into Quick Trip as many times as possible today so that everyone at Quick Trip can see how much I love them. So that's my plan today. I have to find some excuses as to why I need to continue to go there. But that's not why I'm live today. I want to encourage every single one of you. Monday is a great day to get set with good intentions, to put our best foot forward, to get our minds straight. So many people are focused on the wrong things when it comes to improving their health and their wellness and their life. And they think that all of this external stuff is going to give them what they want. And although some of that external stuff is good, until we decide up here, until we get right up here, all of that stuff that we're trying to add to our life with good intentions isn't going to do anything. So today, I want you to stop overthinking it and just do it. Nike, I'm stealing your slogan. Just do it. Just do it. If you're thinking like, I should really get up and move, and you're not driving right now, get up and move. What's keeping you from doing that? If you're driving and you're like, oh, my back is sore, just move in a way that helps you alleviate some of that pain. We overthink. We overcomplicate our situation. And a lot of us do this, myself, because it's like we don't believe that we're worthy of what it is that we want. My friend, I'm here to tell you, you are totally worth it. You are totally worth it. Stop overthinking this process. Stop overthinking what it takes to help you move towards your goal. Stop overthinking what the requirements are for you to get healthy. Step one is to just do something, anything. Hey, Gwen, I know, Quick Trip, where are you? I love you. Quick Trip just has everything. I mean, it just has everything. And I've done some stuff with Quick Trip in the past, because their headquarters is in Wisconsin, not too far from where I live. And I've done some work with them with Trucker Appreciation Week. I've been to some events with them. And it's really cool because if you deliver for them, if you're a truck driver or employee for them, truck driver specifically, you get 1 bottle of water and 1 piece of fruit free every single day. You can come into any Quick Trip and you get that. I know that seems like super small and like almost like, well, what's the point? Like, it's just those little teeny give backs that are so amazing. And I thought that was awesome when I was talking to their head of corporate, and I thought that was really great. And but they have such a good selection in like meats and produce, and now they have like a whole line of like ready to go food. They have like chicken and they have ribs and they have so many different things. It's really great. I love it there. My husband loves their chicken waffle sandwich. Not the healthiest, but he really loves it. Yes, they have awesome healthy choices. That's why I love Quick Trip, because they are so awesome. They are a trucker's best friend. And I feel like a couple other chains could learn a thing or two from them. And I believe it's because they're based in Wisconsin. All good businesses come out of Wisconsin. That's a shameless plug here for me. But truly, stop overthinking it. What's your goal? What do you want? What are you working towards? And what do you feel like is keeping you from reaching that, my friend? Listen up. You may be the one in your way. And the awesome thing about that is that's an accessible thing to fix. You can change that today. There is no magic start date. There is no waiting till January 1st. There is no, on the 1st of the month, then I'll get healthy. I hear this all the time. Like, I'm going to start on the 1st of the month. Like, that's somehow a magic place to begin. No, my friend, today, right now, this very moment is the perfect time to begin. To start taking care of yourself and stop overthinking. Pay attention today to your thoughts. Pay attention to the words that come out of your mouth. Pay attention to the conversation in your head. There are ample moments within the day for you to turn on the key to your health, to your life, and start walking in the right direction. You can do this. Do not be the reason. Do not be the one that keeps you from reaching your goal. Oftentimes we are that person. So today, do it anyways. That's my motto. Do it anyways. There are so many things in life, in business, I constantly am learning that if I want to get where I want to go, if I want to achieve a goal, 99% of the time, I have to do it anyways. I have to do it when I don't want to do it. I have to do it when it's not convenient. I have to figure it out as I go. But 99% of the time, when I do those things, I get to reap the benefits. The same is true for your health. So let's not overthink this process. You can be healthy. You just got to get up and move. You can be healthy. All you have to do is make the decision starting today. You can be healthy. All that you need is within reach once you make the decision to reach for it. You can be healthy. All right, let's start this week out right. Show me some love. Let me know if you're ready to get over this thing up here and just do it anyways. That means get up and walk, do it anyways. Move in your driver's seat, do it anyways. Pick up the darn salad and eat it even if you don't like how it tastes, because it's good for you. Do it anyways. Stop overthinking it and you will be amazed at how far you've come. In a week from now, a month from now, a year from now, you'll be so glad that you started. And if you happen to be in the Midwest, stop at Quick Trip, because they're going to make your trucking experience just a little bit nicer with their amazing selection and their friendly staff. Totally a plug for them. I do not have an affiliation with them. I just absolutely love Quick Trip and Quick Star, and let them know that you love them too and that Mother Trucker loves them. All right, guys, have an awesome week. Share out this broadcast with someone that you feel may need it. That share button does so much for us here at Mother Trucker Yoga. And if you haven't joined our family yet, head over to mothertruckeryoga.com and find out how.